In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use layer blending modes for quick photo and design effects. Blending modes are an easy way to change how one layer interacts with the layers beneath it. No complicated filters or destructive edits required. They're perfect for quickly darkening or lightening an image, adding contrast, or creating a more subtle, polished blend between elements. Start by selecting the layer you want to affect. This tells your editor which layer's pixels will mix with whatever sits below. If you're stacking adjustments or design elements, make sure you've highlighted the correct layer so you can see the change where you expect it. Next, head to the Layers panel and open the Blending Mode drop-down. By default, it's set to Normal, which means no special mixing is applied. Your layer simply appears as is on top of the others. Clicking that menu reveals a list of modes that each calculate color and brightness differently, and that's where the creative control begins. Try Multiply when you want to darken. Multiply looks at your active layer and the layers underneath and blends them in a way that deepens tones. It's great for adding richer shadows, making skies moodier, or toning down bright elements. If it feels too strong, you can always dial it back slightly to keep detail in the darkest areas. Try Screen to lighten. Screen is essentially the opposite of Multiply, brightening by blending the lighter parts of your layer through to the image below. It's useful for lifting a dim photo, adding a soft glow, or brightening highlights without repainting. Use it to bring up exposure gently and keep the image feeling airy. Try Overlay to add contrast. Overlay combines the logic of both darkening and lightening. Midtones stay relatively stable, while darks get darker and lights get lighter. It's excellent for making textures pop, enhancing punch in flat images, and giving a graphic element more presence. Keep an eye on saturation and halos. Small tweaks often look more refined. Try Soft Light for a subtle blend. Think of it as a gentler overlay. It nudges contrast and color without shouting, making it a smart choice for portraits, skin tones, and delicate composites where you want the effect to feel natural and cohesive. Remember, each mode mixes colors differently, and your image content matters. Preview different options in the drop-down, trust your eye, and if something doesn't work, switch back to normal. With just a layer selected and the blending mode